Example 2, scores on the test were 86, 93, 60, 66,
Yikes.
95, 83, 85, and 78. Find the range, median, mode, and mean of the test scores. This is not any test that you have taken, it's just one that was in the books that I copied like 10 years ago when I made this problem up. So, anyway.
That one looks like mine though. That's what I have to say.
Range, median, mode, and mean of the test score. So again, they asked me for range equals something, median equals something, mode equals something, and average equals something. So, first thing, again, median's on the list of things to do, so our numerical order is good. The lowest test score is a 60, followed by a 66, then a 78, then we're in the 80s, we got an 83, 85, 86, 83, 85, 86, and then we have a 93 and a 95. How many test scores are there?
8.
So there's 8 data. All right, we'll worry about that when we get to median. Okay, so as far as range is concerned, it's the biggest number, 95, minus the smallest number, 60. That comes out to 35. Again, range just gives me an idea of how much discrepancy there is between the biggest and smallest numbers. The bigger the range, the more variance there is. All right, if the range is like 2, most of the numbers are right in the same place, right? But if the range is bigger, then those numbers get more spread out. All right, median. Since there's 8 data, which is even, there are 2 middle numbers. So notice, 3 to the left, 3 to the right, and 2 in the middle.
You have to average though.
Very good. You have to average those two. So it's going to be 83 plus 85 divided by 2, which equals 84. The easy way to average two numbers, if they're both odd, it's halfway between, both even, halfway between. Even if there's one odd and even, they're halfway between, but it's going to be a 0.5 in that situation. But halfway between 83 and 85 is 84. Notice the median does not have to belong to the set. Right? 84 is not in the list, but 84 is still the median. It doesn't have to belong. It just has to be what it is. So in the case of an even number of data, find the 2 middle numbers and average the 2 middle numbers. Add them up, divide by 2.
But if it's the same number,
Then it's just that number. So if it's 85, 85, average those, you get 85. So yeah, that happens sometimes. All right, as far as mode's concerned, every number is only occurring once, right?
yep, so none.
So the answer is no mode. Notice I didn't write 0, I wrote no mode. That's the answer, the words no mode. Okay? If you write 0, you're going to get an X next to
What
it.
if we wrote none?
None is fine. I think that sufficiently says there's no mode.
What if you write
I don't want to get That's too vague. All right, no mode or none will be
What
sufficient.
if
If
you
you
put NM?
put no mode or none, if you want to. None is fewer letters. Okay, so if you want to go short on it, N-O-N-E.
What if we put a Greek letter of N?
Okay. Finally, mu. We have to add them up, divide by 8. So if we add them up, let's see.
646.
Thank you. 646 divided by 8. That gets me 80.75.
Whoa.
Whoa, I did not get that.
You didn't get that?
Okay, so you go 60 plus 60.
That's what I got.
Plus
It's just checking our work.
Ah,
Does everybody agree with 646
Yeah.
is the sum of all the numbers? So all I ever did was add all these up, hit equals on our calculator, I got 646, divide by 8, you get 80.75. Again, make sure that the mean is the average. It's add them up, divide by how many numbers there are. I've seen a lot of people divide by the wrong number. It's 8 because there's 8 data. You always divide by the number of numbers.